Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Heather from Total Drama Island on Dress to Impress. Super simple, basic outfit that you can do in a few minutes. Select this hair, color it black, no bangs, and use these bangs in scale 0.57. You do need VIP for this, however. I'm going to get these shorts here, mini shorts, and color it this color. This green, and then I think I'm just going to change the belt. I did not like the belt before. Just going to color it all black. Then for the top, we're going to get this in this color, 83434B, and then I'm just going to make the second one just a tad bit darker. For the sandals, I'm just going to get this one, and I'm going to color the bottom black. And then the second one the same pink, and then the third one just the same as your skin tone, so make sure you save that. And that is it, really. It's very simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.